Hello darlings and welcome back to my channel. Some time ago I did make a video about Pam which at that time just launched, but there was something else of Pamela Reif that I wanted to try out, and that's her Naturally Pam products. Sadly they do not deliver to the UK anymore, and that's why I couldn't get my hands on them just as soon as they launched, but now I am in Bulgaria and I made an order and I am here to review the Naturally Pam products. Yay! So I have been dying to try them out for the longest time ever, and I'm so glad that I managed to get my hands on them, and I'll probably be ordering some more and bring them back to the UK with me. So yes, this video is going to be about Naturally Pam. So I will be doing a testing review, see if I like them, see how they look, about the packaging, everything. So if you're interested in that, well, continue watching. Also, if you are new here, I would love it if you can subscribe to my channel, and yeah, let's get on with the video. First things first, let's unbox all the products and see what we have inside. Okay, a list with everything that I have ordered. That's how the packaging is on the inside. All paper wrapped, which is amazing. Recyclable. We know Pam, so she always aims to have sustainable and eco-friendly options, which I love about her brand. And let's start with everything. So that's the nut clusters, which I am dying to try. I haven't eaten anything yet and I need them. So first item that I got out is the nut clusters with crunchy cocoa, and that's how her packaging looks like. Very cute, very nice and sleek, and it is made from recyclable plastic. So it is fully recyclable, and that's very nice. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so that's how the products are on the inside, by the way. I just want to specify that I got one of her bundles, so I'll be linking everything down below, but I'll just link her website and you can choose whatever you like. And I got another pack of the crunchy cocoa nut clusters. 2 packs of another nut clusters with the other flavor, which is peanut cinnamon. That's how the packaging looks like. Again, very nice and cute, and it's again 100% recyclable plastic. How amazing is this? Good job, Pam. Next on the list is something that I wanted to try out, and that's the chocolate chips, and the packaging is the cutest thing ever actually. I love the colors. I like the blue with the beigey. It's so like refreshing, and let's see what the packaging is made of. So this packaging is plastic free and it's biodegradable, and it's made out of cellulose foil, and it could not be biodegraded in all countries. What I love about this is that she's actually pushing the boundaries and is trying to make countries realize that they need to take care of biodegradable items as well, and that is something that is lacking in almost every country. So yeah, that's very nice. One of her newer products that I'll definitely be trying out, and that's the granola crunchy classic. Everybody says that they love it, so I cannot wait to try it out because I'm pretty sure I will love it too. The packaging, again, very cute. I love the color combinations, I love the color blocking, and this packaging is also plastic free and it's also biodegradable. And last but not least, what I got is a full pack of clean protein bars with coffee hazelnut flavor. That's the one that I wanted to try the most. The peanut butter one is sold out because I don't think she can produce it anymore at the moment. But I got my hands on this one and it's the one that I wanted to try the most. So I am very pleased with this, and like that's how the packaging looks like. And let's see what this one is made of. So plastic free, biodegradable, perfect. So now let's start unpacking and start testing everything. So I will start with the crunchy cocoa. That was easy. Oh, that looks delicious. So let me show you first. So that's what it looks like. That's the little bite, and it looks very delicious and crunchy. Well, it's called the crunchy cocoa. So let's give it a taste. It is crunchy. Okay. So it's very delicious. Okay, so this one is very delicious. It's pretty light, you can feel the nuts inside as well. But it's very delicious. I'm basically gonna be repeating that throughout the whole time. It's something that's very light, I believe, so it's perfect for like a snack to have with you if you're somewhere where it's not like too quiet, because I mean I like this one. So now let's try the peanut cinnamon. From the two flavors I prefer this one because cocoa, I like cocoa, but it's not like my favorite. And let's give it a try, the peanut cinnamon. I just love that combination, how it sounds, and we'll see how it is now. Okay, that's the bite again. So a lot of nuts on it. This one is delicious as well. You can actually feel the cinnamon slightly, and it actually reminds me of something that I have eaten in my childhood, which is amazing, and I don't know how the word is in English, but it's very, very delicious and very unhealthy. So to know that I have something that's similar to something that I have eaten in my childhood, but like a healthy version of it, yes please. Okay, so this one is like very nice for on the go as well. Now let's try the chocolate chips. So I will mostly be using this one for cooking, but I wanna have a taste at it as well. Okay, I'm gonna get like a few pieces so I can show you. Okay, so those are the pieces, that's how big they are. And it's delicious. It's like dark chocolate, but very nice. You know how dark chocolate can be a little more bitter? Well, this one has the bitterness, but it's kind of on the sweet side as well. So it's really, really nice, and I think it's gonna go great with all the muffins that I'm gonna make with it. So I'm very happy about this one. Next one on the list is gonna be the granola, which I'm gonna try on its own as well. Okay, so that's what it is on the inside. Very colorful, very nice. I'm gonna go get a spoon for this one. We've got the spoon, so that's a tiny spoon of like all the goodness from the granola. That's going to be my new favorite thing. I can feel it. What's that with? Okay, so it's oat flakes, corn flakes, sunflower seeds, rice balls. The rice balls I think make all the difference because it's a really nice combination with it, and they do bring that volume to it. Puffed amaranth, puffed quinoa, dried apple pieces from which I think you feel like a little bit of sour, which just adds up to the flavor, and freeze-dried raspberry pieces, which add the sweetness to it. And I think that's my new favorite thing, honestly. It's amazing, and I'll probably be having a bowl of it after I taste everything else. So for now, this one takes up first place for me from all the ingredients that I have tried. And now, let's try the protein bars. Ta-da! Okay. That's how they look. And it's like 12 of them, I believe. Yeah, there are 12 of them. That's what they look like. Pretty nice, pretty nice. So now let's give them a try. I should do such videos more often. I like trying out new foods and I like eating. So that's what the bar looks like now. So this one is with coffee and hazelnut. Okay, that's delicious. Like, this one is my favorite. That's what it looks like on the inside. I'll definitely be ordering more of this. So this one is very, very nice. You can feel the coffee, you can feel the hazelnut, you can feel the chocolate as well. And I love it to bits. So I actually want to put them in the order that I love the most, going like from my most favorite one to the least favorite one. Not that it's not nice, it's just like my own preference. So on top of my list has to be the protein bars, because they are very, very delicious, and I'm gonna finish it off as soon as I switch off the camera. So this one goes first for me. Next one on the list is the crunchy granola. It's just like perfect. It has like everything that I want, like the puffiness, a little bit of sour and also sweet flavors. And I will definitely be finishing it off in the next few days or tomorrow. So yeah, this goes as second in my list. Third one has to be the chocolate chips, because they are very delicious on their own, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna be even better when I'm cooking and when they start melting on my oatmeal cookies or in my muffins. Yay! And the nut clusters are going to the bottom of my list. They're very nice. I just don't prefer something that's this crunchy. They're still very nice and very delicious. If I had to put them in order, I like the peanut cinnamon more. But yeah, I prefer this one more than this one. It's just that I like this combination better. All in all, I think that all the products are amazing, and I'm so glad and thankful that Pamela is actually not buffing the prices up. That's just something that I'm very thankful for, because like everybody can afford something from her Naturally Pam products. And yeah, I'll definitely be buying more and bringing them to the UK with me, and I'm so glad that I finally got the chance to try them out. And yeah, I'll link everything down below if you want to order something. And if you have also tried out her products, let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite, because I'm just curious what your tastes are like. And yeah, that was everything for this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Stay safe, love you all, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!